Do you ever get that creepy feeling when ads seem to know exactly what you're thinking? Yeah, that's no coincidence. Today, I'll show you how to protect your online privacy step by step. So, let's get started. Let's start with passwords. Don't use your pet's name or 123456. Instead, use a strong, unique password for every account. A password manager like NordPass or Bitwarden can help generate and store them securely. It's safer and easier than remembering dozens of passwords. Even strong passwords can be compromised. That's why you should turn on two-factor authentication whenever possible. It adds an extra layer of security by asking for a code sent to your phone or generated by an app like Authy or Google Authenticator. Switch to privacy-focused browsers like Brave or Firefox. Google is powerful, but it also builds a detailed profile of your online activity. Review your privacy settings. Make sure your posts, photos, and personal data are only visible to people you trust. Also, avoid oversharing. The more info you put out there, the easier it is for companies or scammers to use it. When you're on public Wi-Fi, like at a cafe or airport, your data is vulnerable. A VPN encrypts your connection and hides your IP address. So try services like ExpressVPN, ProtonVPN, or Surfshark. Online privacy is not just for tech experts. It's something everyone can take control of. With just a few changes, you can protect your data and browse with peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more digital safety tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.